video.
Why?
Because I love you. Look.
I don't want videotape though.
It's why. That's Beck. Little scene kid at the moment.
It's Miss I don't give a fuck.
Yeah, Miss I don't give a fuck.
Oh yeah.
Me and my bondageness. Oh yeah. That's Steve. He's a fag.
Loner.
He's a fag.
Oh, you'd love to.
I don't know your name. What's your name?
Random person.
Random person. That's random person. Apparently he's going on my wall.
I'm Campbell.
You're what?
Campbell.
Campbell. Okay then. It's just so the cam can hear it.
I thought you said Bambi.
And that's back to Asian Tom. I missed him so much.
Yeah, because I'm sexy and shit.
Yeah. Tom, say that you love me.
I love you, Amber.
Kiss. Aha. And that is Beck. Say you love me.
I love you.
Why Disney? Why?
They don't know who you're talking to.
I love you, Amber.
That's better.
Where's my kiss?
I love you, Amber.
Do I get
Full bondage and everything.
it?
That's his shoes. Their shoes.
Tick boom! Are you going to
That's Steve again. Ah! Steve! Back again.
Just have that new. And one wog said to the other one, chick chick boom!
The wog went up to the...
One wog went up to this other wog, and then it was just like chick chick boom!
No, it was the... Oh, hold on.